Hey everyone, welcome back to Bazillions, where we dive into the coolest AI adventures. Today, I've got something incredibly exciting to share with you, a fantastic AI tool that'll let you create amazing music videos. If you loved my previous video on how to use Suno and Udio to generate epic AI music tracks, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're going to learn how to put together your very own music videos for those amazing tracks you've just made. I'm Matt Griffith, and I'll be guiding you through this thrilling journey, so let's get started. Today, we're exploring Noisee, a cutting-edge free AI tool that's making waves in the world of AI-generated video content. Noisee allows you to create videos up to 60 seconds long, and it's incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. What makes Noisee stand out among AI video generators is its ability to produce rich video sequences from just a text prompt. You can even add your music tracks to these videos, which helps in creating a powerful narrative that's not only visually appealing, but also perfectly synchronized with the rhythm of your music. This feature is particularly great for those looking to create dynamic and captivating content that resonates with their audience. So let's dive in and see how Noisee can transform your music tracks into stunning visual stories. I'll walk you through getting started with Noisee, a super user-friendly platform that's perfect for anyone wanting to create AI-generated music videos. First off, head over to noisee.ai and set up your account. It's super easy. Just sign in with your Google account and you're good to go. Just a few weeks back, they launched their web version, which is a game changer. If you're not into using Discord and prefer to avoid the hassle of command lines, the web interface of Noisee is straightforward yet powerful, making it a breeze to navigate. Once you're logged in, creating content is as simple as entering specific URLs and a text prompt to tell the AI what your music video should capture. For adding music, you can link a track from platforms like YouTube, Suno, Udio, or even SoundCloud. What's really cool about Noisee is how it uses the music track to influence the video visuals. The AI intelligently matches video cuts and transitions to the beats and intensity of your music, crafting a seamless and immersive experience that feels professionally edited. But that's not all. Noisee also supports the integration of user-generated images from other AI art generators, like Midjourney, through a feature called the Style button next to the prompt bar. This allows you to bring specific artistic styles or elements into your videos, boosting the customization and making each creation unique. Plus, Noisee offers several aspect ratio options, including portrait, landscape, and square, so you can tailor your videos to fit different platforms and display needs. Whether you're aiming to impress on social media or looking for a creative way to showcase your music, Noisee has got you covered. Noisee really stands out for its high-quality video outputs that display lifelike details and use beautifully restrained color palettes. When you watch a video created with Noisee, you'll notice that it maintains a consistent aesthetic and style from start to finish, which is absolutely crucial for creators who are aiming to produce content at a professional level. The AI does an impressive job of sticking to your prompts and interpreting even complex instructions, ensuring that the final videos reflect what you envisioned. As for the user experience, Noisee keeps it simple and effective. The web interface is very straightforward, allowing you to type in a text prompt to start generating your video. You can easily tweak settings like the aspect ratio with just a click, and even use image references to guide the visual style of your video, ensuring everything looks just the way you want. After the video is generated, you're not stuck with the first result if it's not perfect. Noisee offers editing capabilities, allowing you to tweak your clips or even regenerate parts that didn't quite hit the mark due to errors or misalignments in the AI's rendering process. This level of control is fantastic for creators who need their final output to be just right. Noisee really meets the needs of video creators by allowing them to generate up to 3 videos every 3 hours. What's more, it offers the flexibility of up to 18 redraws during this period, which don't count towards your video limit. This feature is incredibly valuable for users who like to experiment with different versions to get just the right outcome for their projects. In comparison to other AI video generators on the market, Noisee really stands out. It's been widely commended for its realistic animations, detailed renderings, and dynamic camera movements that bring a cinematic quality to the videos it produces. Frequently, Noisee surpasses its competitors in delivering high visual quality and closely following creative prompts, making it a strong choice for creators who demand precision and artistry in their videos. Despite its impressive capabilities, Noisee's community is still quite small, with fewer than 8,000 users. This presents a unique opportunity for early adopters to not only use the tool, but also to influence its evolution. Getting involved now could mean having a say in how Noisee develops, tailoring it even more closely to the needs of its user base. Let's dive in and bring some of the awesome tracks we've created using Suno to life with vibrant and catchy music videos. Once you've registered on Noisee, simply click the Create Video button to access the prompt interface where the magic begins. Start by selecting your favorite music track from Suno, Udio, YouTube, or SoundCloud. Copy the track's link and paste it into the music URL prompt bar on Noisee. Hit Enter next to it so that Noisee can analyze the intricacies of your music, enabling it to tailor the video creation process and synchronize the visuals perfectly with your track. Next, head to the text prompt bar below. This is where you get to flex your creative muscles. Provide a detailed description of what you envision for your music video. Describe the sequences and what you'd like to appear in each one. Use the Style button to add reference images that guide the visual style of your video. Don't forget to select the right aspect ratio for your creation. Once everything's set, press the Generate button, and in just a few minutes, you'll get to see your final masterpiece. When your video is ready, the main video window will appear in the center of your screen with a detailed breakdown of the different scenes on the left. On the right, you'll see how Noisee interpreted your initial prompts to create its own. You can tweak any part of your video by selecting a scene, rewriting the prompt for that specific segment, and hitting the Regenerate button. Let's start with our music video for Ibiza Nights, crafted using both Suno and Noisee. Isn't that incredible? Each scene captures the essence of a vibrant music festival in Ibiza, just as if you were there. Now let's tackle our country hit. Since the track is almost 2 minutes long and Noisee limits us to 60-second segments, we'll split it into 2 parts. We'll generate and review the first part, then proceed with the second. Once both parts are ready, I'll combine them into one seamless video. I'm already buzzing with excitement about how it's going to turn out. All right, folks, there you have it. Stepping through the Noisee interface is a breeze, from setting up your tracks to crafting the visuals that bring your music to life. Whether it's the rhythmic pulse of an Ibiza night or the twang of a country tune, Noisee's got the tools to let your creativity soar and your music visually sing. Using Noisee is more than just creating music videos. It's about experiencing the power of AI to transform your musical imagination into dynamic, visually captivating stories. With its user-friendly interface, detailed customization options, and the magic of AI that adheres closely to your creative prompts, Noisee is not just keeping up, it's setting the pace in the world of AI-generated content.
Lost my wife, lost my dog, engines blown, my pickup in a fall, bottles empty, no whiskey to drink. nothing left but my tears to cry. But I'll keep on singing till the day I die.
So whether you're a seasoned creator looking to experiment with AI in your video projects, or a newcomer eager to put your first track into motion, Noisee provides an engaging, innovative platform that promises to deliver stunning results. Jump in early, play around with the settings, and watch as your music tracks come alive in ways you've only imagined. Let's keep pushing the boundaries of what AI and creativity together can achieve.
In every shape and color, they're making the grade. From the hipster with the top hat to the dancing renegade. These creatures in the city, they're the songs we've played. Underneath the city lights, where dreams are born and fly.
Now go out there, create something amazing, and let Noisee turn your musical visions into vivid realities.